Hello guys, I am Jagath and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video let us unbox and set up MI router 4C. So let's get started. Okay, before unboxing, let's just take a look around the box. On the front side, as we can see, we have the name mentioned as MI router 4C, and below it we have the max speed mentioned. Now moving on to the bottom. On the bottom we have the key specification. So it has 4 antennas, full control with Wi-Fi application and speed. Now moving on to the right side. Again we have got the specification mentioned. So it has 3-step setup, Wi-Fi security, notification, parental control, repeater mode, restore password, speed boost and QoS. This MI router 4C comes with built-in repeater which helps in extending the coverage range. It has 64 MB of RAM and Xiaomi claims that it can connect up to 64 devices. MI Wi-Fi application lets us to view and manage router settings remotely. Okay, now let's unbox. Inside we have the router. Okay, now let's take a closer look at it. On the center we have got the MI logo. On the top we have reset button, 2 LAN port, 1 WAN port and a power supply. Then inside the box we also have power adapter and manual book. Okay, now let's set up this router. Okay, now I have powered the router. Now let us connect LAN. Okay, so as we can see, we get this blue color notification light over here. You must download the MI Wi-Fi application from the Play Store. Okay, now let me select setup new router. So as we can see, it has now detected the router and it shows the name. Now let's select setup now. Okay, now we have to choose Wi-Fi name and password. Okay, now let's click finish. Okay, now let's open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to it. So as we can see, now it is connected. Now let's go inside the MI Wi-Fi application. So inside we have got the upload speed, download speed and network status on the top. Then below we have got the list of connected devices. Then we have got toolbox. Inside we have Wi-Fi optimization, firewall, settings and updates. Then below we have few more tools. Let's check it out. Inside we have QoS, health mode and schedule reboot. Okay, now let's go inside and check. First let's see QoS. So inside this we can limit the bandwidth. Next let's go inside health mode and see. Inside this we can select the time for the router to be turned on and turned off. So that's great. Next we have schedule reboot. In this we can select a time for the router to reboot. Next let's check the network status. So the network status is good. Now let's check the firewall. The router has been turned on recently, so I guess it will take some time. So anyway, we'll check this later. Let's check updates. So it is in the latest version, so no updates are found. Next, moving on to the settings. Inside we have network setting, Wi-Fi setting, router configuration and so on. Next, moving on to Wi-Fi optimization. Over here we can control the devices connected to the router, like we can deny the internet access, we can set the bandwidth and so on. Firewall has blocked the device from connecting. It has blocked 1842 times. We can block this device if we want. We have 3 levels of security: low, medium and high. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. Hope you all found this video useful. If you all have not yet subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.